Well, we started another project. We're going to try to take the Harbor Freight dust collector and make our own Venturi system, funnel system, whatever you want to call it. We found this from a friend of mine. Saw that sitting on a wagon and said, you know what? I think that'll work for my funnel, because I was going to make one. Anyway, we found it. So we're working on a deal here. We've decided how we're going to mount it. We're going to put it on this barrel. And I took the Harbor Freight roller pan, put wheels on it. We're going to put the barrel on it. There's the Harbor Freight unit. We're trying to decide how we're going to mount it. 6 inches out, 6 inches in. And I'm just going to, this is for a sawmill. Put the sawmill inside a building. Kind of creates a little bit of dust problems, so we're going to try to see if we can alleviate it. Just another project. We like to do those kind of projects anyway. That's what happens when you get old. You got to have these stupid things on to see to do anything. We're not carpenters. We're jack of all trades. We do a little everything. We're going to make this thing. We'll make it work. It might not be pretty like some of you guys do, but that's okay too. We've learned a lot from YouTube on all these guys. We're going to take the best of what we see out of everything and put it all together and see if we can make it work. I'm not for sure it'll draw enough to work on this sawmill. This sawmill, sometimes you saw wet logs, and that's not dust like you get out of a shop. That's why I'm going to make this thing as big as I possibly can make it. We'll see. If it doesn't work, it'll be big enough I'll put it in my wood shop, and I know it'll work for that. So that's our idea. Start cutting the radiuses. I'm going to put 2 radiuses on a small one and a tall one. That thing is heavy. It's not like these little flimsy ones and plastic ones. I was going to get the Dust Deputy XL. It was $250. I'll have $500 in labor in this thing, but that's okay. That's the way we like to do stuff. But anyway, here we go with this thing. We're going to give it a try, see, and see what happens. A little bit of refreshment first. Think that'll work. Well, here's what you have to do when you're old and can't see and it's somewhat dark in here. Now I can see, thanks to my Milwaukee headlights. Well, there is our idea. Don't know whether it'll work or not. We got to cut the bottom of that thing off later on. We got to decide how tall we want. We've got a height issue. We got 8 foot in our building for this thing. It's going to get kind of tall, so that's what we're going to try to do. Well, I told you this thing was heavy. And I've got a little set of digital scales there. We're gonna see if we can get it weighed, just to see. I want to know myself, and then you'll know. Well, I'm having to hold it because I can't balance it on those little scales, but it looks like about 26, 27 pounds. That's what it says to me. I'm just balancing it, I'm not holding it, so there it is. I just wanted to weigh that silly thing. It's 25 pounds, all right? Because we're going to cut a little bit off the bottom of it, but the funnel itself, before we ever start, is 25 pounds. So it's going to get heavy. Well, we're going to take the piece that I cut out of the center of that. I'm going to put it in the top of my barrel. Now we're going to go to the bandsaw, and I'm going to try out my new circle jig on my bandsaw. I wish you'd have been there. First time I ever used my circle cutting jig for my new 17-inch bandsaw, and I set it for 13 3/4, or so I thought. I don't know whether you can see that or not, but I'm impressed with myself. Anyway, I'm just learning, and I learned this all from YouTube.